Most people think jumping rope is just for boxers or kids on the playground, but what happens when you actually do it every single day might surprise you. If you want to burn fat faster, improve your stamina, and feel more athletic without spending hours in the gym, this is something you need to hear. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how daily jump rope training can change your body, your energy, and your mindset. My name is your coach, and I help people build strong, lean, and confident bodies using simple, effective training. Today, we are breaking down what really happens when you jump rope every day and how to do it safely and effectively. This is perfect for beginners and intermediate fitness levels. You can do this at home or at the gym. All you need is a jump rope in a small space. The workout is scalable, so you can slow it down or push harder depending on your level. Stick with me until the end, because I will show you how to make daily jump rope work for fat loss, conditioning, and total body fitness without burning out. Warm up. Before we jump, let's prepare the body. Start by standing tall and rolling your shoulders back. Take a few deep breaths. Begin with gentle ankle bounces, barely leaving the ground. This wakes up your calves and joints. Now add light arm circles in a slow march in place. The goal here is to get warm, not tired. If you ever feel stiff or tight, slow down. A good warm-up makes daily jump rope sustainable. Upper body engagement. Once you start jumping rope, your upper body works more than you think. Keep your elbows close to your sides and let your wrists turn the rope. Your shoulders, arms, and upper back stay active the entire time. Beginners can jump at a relaxed pace with small hops. If you want more challenge, increase speed or add high knees. Stay loose in your shoulders and breathe steadily. Tension wastes energy. Control builds endurance. Lower body power. Your legs do the real work here. Every jump strengthens your calves, ankles, and feet. Over time, your legs become more springy and powerful. Keep jumps low and soft. Land quietly, like you are trying not to wake anyone up. If jumping non-stop feels tough, try intervals. Jump for 20 seconds, rest for 10, then repeat. Advanced viewers can add single leg jumps or double unders to increase intensity. Core activation. Jump rope is a core workout in disguise. Your abs and lower back stabilize your body with every jump. Keep your chest tall and ribs down. Avoid leaning forward. Imagine your core gently bracing like you were zipping up a jacket. If you want extra core challenge, add alternating foot jumps or side-to-side hops. The more controlled you stay, the more your core engages. Full body cardio finisher. Now we bring it all together. Jump rope elevates your heart rate fast. This is where fat loss and conditioning happen. Push at a pace where you are breathing hard but still in control. Beginners can stay steady and slow. Intermediate levels can push speed or add combinations. This is not about perfection, it is about consistency. Every jump counts. Peak intensity and mindset. This is the moment most people want to stop. Your legs burn, your lungs work harder. This is where daily jump rope changes you, not just physically, but mentally. You are teaching your body to stay calm under stress. You are proving to yourself that discomfort does not control you. Keep going for a few more jumps. This is how endurance is built. This is how confidence grows. Small daily efforts compound into powerful results. Cool down and summary. Slow the rope down and come to a gentle stop. Shake out your arms and legs. Take deep breaths. Stretch your calves by stepping one foot back and pressing the heel down. Roll your shoulders and relax your neck. Today, you worked your legs, core, arms, shoulders, and cardiovascular system all at once. Jumping rope every day can improve coordination, burn calories, strengthen joints, and boost overall fitness when done with good form and recovery. If this helped you understand how jumping rope every day can transform your fitness, tap the like button so more people can find this video. Subscribe to the channel for simple, effective workouts you can do anywhere. Turn on notifications so you never miss a session. Comment below and tell me how long you jumped today or where you are watching from. And when you are ready, check out the next video on building endurance with simple daily workouts.